This video is a paid ad for Spin Master. Baby. Wow, wow, wow! It's the week of wow! Wow, I say wow a lot. Instead of Hatchimals Day, a week has been dedicated to celebrate the week of wow, which is from November 3rd to November 10th. During the week of wow, Hatchimals will be doing giveaways. Wow! Giveaways are awesome! We are also hosting an exclusive giveaway on our Instagram. So be sure to check that out and enter for a chance to win a huge collection of Hatchimals prizes. And keep watching for a top secret sneak peek at the end. Wow! Here's a peek at what we're giving away. Wow! Inside of this giant egg, there are a whole bunch of surprises. This has to be the biggest egg I've ever seen. As with all Hatchimal eggs, we have to take care of it so it hatches. Let's show it some love. I think it's almost ready. Okay, let's do this. I never met a Hatchimal egg that I couldn't crack, so today is not gonna be the day. Yes! Inside I can see the surprises, but we're gonna have to open this a little more to get to them. Oh! I am so weak. I can see the surprises, but we're gonna have to open this a little more. Yes! Now we have our first surprise. Let's get the others. The winner will get one Hatchimals Wow with over 250 sounds and interactions. How tall will I grow? One mega secret surprise with over 40 surprises and an exclusive Hatchimals Pixies. One secret surprise, Hatchtopia Life Extra Glittery Collector Plush. Hatchimal Collectibles Royal Hatch 12-pack carton, Hatchimal Collectibles Royal Snowball 12-pack carton, Hatchimals Collectibles Royal Snowball 4-pack, a 2-pack, and 1, 2, 3 1-packs. Wow, that's a lot. I want to show you something Hatchimals recently launched in 2019. Hatchtopia Life Extra Glittery. This is a collector plush that goes along with the Hatchtopia Life app. Did I mention it's a free app that can be downloaded from the App Store and Google Play? These Hatchimals are soft, fluffy, and glittery. Just like any Hatchimal, it needs love and care to hatch. Rub on the purple heart until it turns pink, then press down to crack the shell and reveal an Eggdorable new friend. Aww, one eye is closed, and look at it, it's all glittery. There are over 12 to collect with rainbow rares, and if you're lucky, you might find the golden flamingo. Looks like we found glitter kitty can. Let's open another one. I wonder who will get this time. The heart is pink, and now it's time for the big reveal. It's a pink one, and it's the golden flamingo. No way! Look at all of those little touches of gold and gold wings. Now, let's open them all. Wow, our collection just grew. Here is our glitter kitty can sitting next to glitter lamblet, glitter albasloth, glitter ponette, glitter alicorn, glitter raspoon, glitter hedgie hen, and glitter birtle. From the rainbow rares, we have glitter butterpuff, glitter deeraloo, and glitter chi tree. of course, our golden flamingo. We are so close. We only need one more to have the complete collection. So we're gonna need more eggs. Inside the egg, you will also find 2 secret codes for you and a friend to unlock the world of Hatchtopia on a mobile device. Just flip them over to see the code. I downloaded the free Hatchtopia Life app. Let's click right here, scan the code. Yay! We unlocked an egg! Now we have to help it hatch. Push the little lights. Okay, something's happening. Circle. Okay. Oh, we gotta tilt it. And then tilt it the other way. And again. Oh, it's about to hatch. We have a new Hatchimal. Let's unlock another one. We can hatch it now. All right, tilt to one side. Tilt to the other. And again. Looks like they're different every single time. This one says rare. So we're just gonna push those little spots there, tilt again, and again, and again. Okay, it's hatching. We got a chi tree. Yes, okay, let's see what it came with. We have rewards here. Lots and lots of fun rewards. And we just leveled up. Awesome. With our code, we got exclusive homes. We're gonna place those right there. Once they've been built, we can move in a new Hatchimal. Now let's go inside. Enter. And our little house is so cute. Okay, we have to add some furniture. Maybe this little table. And perhaps a rug. Yeah, I like that. Now that our house is all decorated, let's check out the outfits. We should have some new fashion in here. Okay, let's see. Let's try this. Oh, it's cute. All right, let's try some glasses. Or scarf. I love it. Let's play Minigames. Ooh, Friendship Farm. That sounds like fun. Here we have to try to move our basket and catch the good fruit. We don't want the fruit that's been eaten. We just want the fresh fruit. Okay, so we gotta wait for stuff to fall from the sky. There's a banana. I like that. An apple core. We don't want that. Banana. Banana. Oh, got it. Yay, got another one. Okay. And, missed it. Banana. Oh, that was so close. I almost got that apple core. Okay, and banana. I'm sorry, apple. And yeah, totally rocking this. Getting lots and lots of points. Because when we play the mini games, we can earn coins so we can buy stuff, which is fun. No! I got an apple core. No, I got another apple core. And this banana. Yes, apple. Okay. I want the banana, but I don't want the apple cores. There we go. We're doing good. And just take our time. Lots of apples. No! Okay, 89. That's not bad. We got some really fun rewards here. And we get to move up a level. Oh, almost. So close. Once we've earned some coins, we can go into our little house and go shopping in the store for new things to decorate our place. I think I would like a door. Yeah, let's buy that. Yay, one door. All right, and we can place it now. There's our door, and I'm gonna put that right there. Perfect. So in the Hatchtopia app, we can play mini games, earn coins, decorate, and so much more. And every day we log in, we get a prize. There is a daily spin wheel where we can earn coins, objects, and gems. So let's just spin the wheel and see what we get. Spin. I'm hoping for an egg. That would be awesome. And it's slowing down. What are we getting? Oh, gems. I'll take that too. Nice. The more you collect, the more you can level up and unlock different things in the app. Whoa! Over here, you will find your goals, where we can complete certain tasks, and the more we achieve, the more prizes we get. Ooh, nice. Oh yeah, I'll take that too. So the app keeps track of your achievements, and once you hit a certain level, you get prizes. You can become a VIP by purchasing a Hatchtopia Life Collectors plush and enter the code. As a VIP, we can send gifts, add friends, send stickers, and unlock special items. Hatchtopia Life is now on shelves at key retailers. The next thing I'm going to show you is top secret. Seriously, it says so right here. Classified, Hatchimals, top secret. But we are going to give you the very first exclusive look at a not yet available Hatchtopia Life product. This product will not be available until spring 2020. Are you ready to see what it is? Hatchtopia Life Sugar Sweet. Do you notice anything different in there? Instead of an egg, we get to hatch a cute cupcake. There are over 15 to collect, with 5 different families like vanilla beans, cutie pies, chocolat, cake crew, and the ultra rare home slice. And they're scented. Vanilla beans smells like vanilla, cake crew smells like birthday cake, chocolat smells like chocolate, and the ultra rare home slice is coconut. Use your love and care to rub the pixelated heart until it turns pink, then press down to gently crack the cupcake and see a new friend. There you are. We got a super cute coffee cake alicorn from the cake crew. And it does smell super sweet. It smells like birthday cake. Hatchtopia Life Sugar Rush is definitely the sweetest Hatchimals yet. Each character has sweet accessories, like little candies, chocolate cakes, and more. And of course, they come with a code that we can scan to unlock sweet shops in the Hatchtopia Life app. The more codes we scan, the more characters and features we unlock to customize our Hatchtopia Life world. Thank you for joining us for the week of wow! Be sure to check out Hatchimals on Instagram and keep an eye out for egg-mazing giveaways. See what I did there? Egg-mazing. And don't forget, we are hosting a Week of Wow giveaway on our Instagram at MyFroggyStuff. Look for Hatchimals Sugar Rush coming spring 2020. And we will see you next time.